Welcome to the channel. This is video number 2 in the Modern Maker series that I'm doing. This video is about Lazarus Planes. Now, he is located over in Louisville, Kentucky, and his name is Mateo. Now, I have done a video actually reviewing and using one of his planes. This video is going to be more of an overall view of his planes and kind of his style, because his style is very, very unique, but I find it really, really cool. And he comes up with some innovative designs that I have never really seen before. Now, of course, with these planes, they are beautiful and functional, and they are 100% handmade by Mateo in his shop. To my knowledge, he does not have anybody working with him, and to me, that's also impressive. He doesn't only make planes, he also makes slicks, draw knives, marking knives, chisel planes, so he takes his innovation in his planes and applies that to other tools as well, keeping his style consistent across them. And I find that really cool too, because I have run into some makers that they'll have one style for this and now another style for that. I like that he keeps it all consistent across the board. The other thing that's really cool is you can go to his website and see the process. He has everything broken down of how he makes his planes, just to really reinsure the fact that everything is handmade by his own design, which is kind of tough to find these days. Now, in case you were curious, his planes range anywhere from $450 to $5,000. It just depends on what style you want, what type of wood he uses, how big the plane is, all that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll put his information down below if you want to check out his website. If you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know, and have a good day.